CAMWorks integration with SolidWorks streamlines manufacturing processes, enhances collaboration, and boosts productivity. A powerful combination of two tools revolutionizes the design and manufacturing of products. Firstly, the integration allows seamless data exchange between the design and manufacturing team. CAMWorks automatically updates design changes made in SolidWorks, eliminating the need for manual data transfer. The synchronization ensures that the manufacturing process is always based on the latest design, which minimizes errors and discrepancies. CAMWorks' feature-based approach to programming enhances efficiency even farther. Toolpaths are generated automatically based on design features, reducing programming time significantly. Automating the process not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the possibility of errors. Collaboration is another key advantage of this integration. As changes in design are seamlessly communicated to the manufacturing team, designers and machinists can work in parallel. A real-time collaboration minimizes delays and ensures that any design modifications are reflected in the machining process immediately. In addition to enhancing accuracy, the integration also reduces errors. By integrating CAMWorks with SolidWorks, the machining process can be automatically adapted to any design changes. By improving accuracy, fewer iterations and better finished products are produced. The integration of CAMWorks with SolidWorks optimizes the design to manufacturing process. This integration allows manufacturers to create high-quality products more efficiently and effectively through seamless data exchange, feature-based programming, and improved collaboration.